Today, we're continuing the series Becoming a Money Magnet. In the previous sessions, we've been uncovering the hidden patterns that block money from flowing into your life. And we've been shifting your relationship with receiving, safety, and identity. And today, we're going deeper into another powerful layer, the difference between scarcity and abundance. Most people say they want more money, but their thoughts are still rooted in scarcity. They focus on what's missing, what's not working, or what could go wrong. And when your mind is focused on lack, your actions and emotions follow that pattern. So today, we're going to begin shifting from scarcity into abundance, allowing your mind and body to feel open, supported, and available for more. Before we begin tapping, let's briefly talk about how EFT works. EFT stands for Emotional Freedom Techniques, and it combines focused awareness with tapping on specific acupressure points on the body. These points are connected to the body's meridian system. When you focus on a belief or emotional pattern while tapping, your nervous system begins to calm, and the emotional charge around that belief starts to dissolve. Over time, this allows your brain to update old programming and create new, more supportive relationship with money, where abundance can feel natural instead of out of reach. Now, let's go through the tapping points so you can follow along. We start at the karate chop point always, on the side of the hand. Then we move through the sequence, the inside of the eyebrow, the side of the eye, under the eye on the bone, under the nose, under the chin, the collarbone, under the armpit, like 4 inches under the armpit, and the top of the head. Once we reach the top of the head, that completes one round. Then we begin again at the eyebrow point. You can tap on either side of the body like this. You can use one hand or two hands. I prefer two hands. And you can use 2 fingers, 3 fingers, whatever feels most natural and comfortable to you. Okay. So now take a slow breath in through your nose. Exhale. Close your eyes and imagine your life expanding financially. Imagine more money flowing in, more opportunities opening, and more freedom becoming available to you. See your bank account growing, your options increasing, and your stress decreasing. Now notice what comes up. Do you feel excitement, or does part of you start focusing on what could go wrong? Do you notice thoughts about not having enough, losing it, or things not working out? Ask yourself on a scale from 1 to 10, how abundant do I truly feel right now? Just notice the number without judgment. Now take another slow breath in. Exhale. Now begin tapping on the karate chop point and repeat after me. Even though part of me is still focused on lack and scarcity, I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Even though part of me expects things not to work out, I choose to become aware of this pattern. Even though I've been conditioned to focus on what's missing, I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. I've been focused on what I don't have. I've been noticing what's missing. Part of me expects things to go wrong. Part of me doubts things will work out. Part of me is used to scarcity. This pattern of lack thinking. This habit of focusing on problems. All this scarcity thinking. Keeping me stuck in the same place. keeping me from seeing opportunities, keeping me from trusting money. Part of me expects loss. Part of me fears not having enough. All this fear around money, all this lack in my thinking, allowing myself to notice it. What if I could start seeing abundance? What if more is available to me? What if opportunities are everywhere? What if things can work out for me? Maybe I've been looking at this the wrong way. Maybe there's more available than I see. Maybe I can start focusing on what's working. Maybe I can shift into abundance. I am open to seeing more. I am open to new opportunities. I am open to more money. I am open to things working out. Money is available to me. Opportunities are available to me. I am learning to trust more. I am learning to see more. I am shifting out of scarcity. I am stepping into abundance. I am allowing more into my life. I am open to more money. I am open to more success. I am open to more possibilities. I am becoming more abundant. I am becoming a money magnet. Now take a slow breath in. Close your eyes again and imagine yourself living from a place of abundance. Imagine waking up each day feeling supported, knowing there are always opportunities available to you. See yourself noticing possibilities instead of problems, solutions instead of limitations. Imagine money flowing into your life in different ways. And instead of questioning it, you trust it. You feel calm, open, and certain. Your focus is no longer on what's missing, but on what's growing, what's working, and what's expanding. Let that feeling of abundance settle into your body as if this is your new normal. Now take one more slow breath in. Before continuing your day, drink some water. This kind of work shifts your internal state and your nervous system, and staying hydrated helps your body integrate these changes more effectively. And thank you for doing this work, because the more you shift out of scarcity and into abundance, the more naturally you begin to see, receive, and allow more money into your life. And that's where everything begins to expand. and you truly start becoming a money magnet. Thanks for being here.